everyone! Making a snowman out of a sock and rice is a fun and simple craft project. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create your very own sock snowman.
The materials you'll need include any sock, rice to fill the sock, rubber bands or string, fabric scraps or felt for the scarf and hat, buttons, beads, or small pieces of fabric for the eyes, nose, and buttons, hot glue gun or fabric glue, scissors, and markers. Take the sock and fill it with rice. You can use a funnel to make this process easier. Fill the sock to the desired size of your snowman. Shake the sock gently to make sure the rice is evenly distributed. It should look like this. Once the sock is filled with rice, tie off the top of the sock with a rubber band or string to keep the rice inside. To form the body and head, tie another rubber band or string about 2/3 of the way up from the bottom of the sock to create the body. Then, tie another rubber band or string near the top to form the head. Adjust the rice-filled sock sections to get a round shape for the body and a smaller round shape for the head. Make sure the sock is tightly packed to maintain the shapes. Use buttons, beads, or small pieces of fabric to create the snowman's eyes and nose. Glue them onto the face using a hot glue gun or fabric glue. You can also use a permanent marker to draw the eyes, nose, and mouth if you prefer. Cut a strip of fabric or felt and tie it around the neck of the snowman to make a scarf. You can also use yarn or ribbon if you have it on hand. Use the remaining part of the sock, if you cut it off earlier, to make a hat. Roll the open end of the sock down to create a cuff and place it on the snowman's head. Glue small pieces down the front of the snowman's body to represent buttons. Adjust any features and make sure everything is securely glued. If you're feeling creative, you can add a little bit of blush to the snowman's cheeks using a pink marker or blush powder. You can also add other decorations like mini scarves, earmuffs, or small props to personalize your snowman.
Now you have your very own cute and cuddly sock snowman. This is what it may look like. Hope you enjoyed making this together. Happy crafting!